I'm staying here in an hotel which has a problem with the electrical wiring, and this results in a very high electric field emanating from the laptop computer I was using and connecting it to the power outlet of this hotel room. So the electric field, what we can measure from the proximity of the laptop, is around close to 2000 volts per meter. So I'm putting my EMF detector to the laptop. This will simulate me as holding my hands on this laptop, typing words and being exposed to the around 2000 volts per meter. And this electric field is also transmitted through the mouse, because the mouse is connected by wire to the computer, and this will also transmit or re-emanate the electric field. So the problem with this outlet is that it has only two prongs. There is no grounding pin. So this is an older type of wiring. I'm doing a scientific research team demo here to demonstrate that how could we reduce the electric field in this situation, because we don't have any grounding from the power outlet. But still, what can be done is to take a wire and to isolate the wire from the isolation, to remove the isolation from the wire, wrap it around the USB cables, the plugs gasket. So this would effectively connect this wire to the metal casing of this computer. And the metal casing of the computer could act as a shield and a grounding screen. The other end of this grounding cable is connected to the water pipe. There's a metal water pipe connection here, which I have connected this wire to establish the ground and to remove the electric field from the computer and ground it. Now, when I'm measuring the electric field from the laptop again, while there is a grounding cable connected to the gasket of the laptop, we can see that the electric field has come down to about 30 to 40 volts per meter. So this is pretty much the same reading across the different parts of this laptop where I would be holding my hands on. And this is the case also for the mouse. So let's put it here next to the mouse. We have 35 volts per meter. A little bit more, a little bit less, depending on the part of the mouse. So this effectively has removed the electric field from this computer while the power socket is still being connected. So this demonstration is for scientific research purposes only, and any electrical fitting at household should be done by qualified electrician.